everyone, welcome to Hedgehog and welcome to today's 2-minute tip, which sometimes takes maybe 4 minutes, but Greg will let us know at the end how long it takes. And today I want to talk to you about cleaning your Misti, which lots of you asked about following my top 5 Misti tips. Check that top right hand corner. So cleaning your Misti, first of all, on the outside, you'll notice that your grids are etched in. So you don't want to clean it with any kind of abrasive cleaning materials. Misti recommend the Novus cleaner. So what you can do is you can just give it a light spritz on the outside with the Novus solution. And you want to use a microfiber cloth, I find is the easiest way to do this. And super easy to clean this way, and I just give it a nice wipe over. And I'll link these cloths up. I buy them in bulk. They're an Amazon basic, really inexpensive. And now most of my dirt is on the inside, which is from my stamp cleaner. Now you can either clean it with a stamp cleaner on the inside, or you can use Isopropyl Alcohol. Both are going to work really well for you. And I keep them in my Brutus Monroe Squeaky Clean dispensers. Now again, to do this, you can either spritz, and I do keep some alcohol in a Nuvo light mist bottle, and either will work really well. Now you can, I find, use alcohol on the inside because you don't have anything etched on this inside cover. Just be sure that you don't use it on the outside by mistake. And if you clean this inside cover rather, you'll then be able to see if you have any marks left on your outside. So you can see how easy that with a little bit of isopropyl alcohol, all of those marks are coming off. And mine was pretty dirty to start with. The other place I find I get lots and lots of marks is on my ruler grid. So again, you're going to want to use that Novus solution because it's non-abrasive. And so we're going to just clean off our rulers. And again, everything's coming off really nicely. There are a couple of marks still I can see on the front of my Misti here. So I'm going to go back with my solution. One of them is a bit of a sticky mark, but a little bit of elbow grease, it comes off. And it does mean that I can now see where I've put my stamp on the inside of my Misti. So I have now a nice clean door, and I can actually see where I've put my stamp. So it is really easy to clean your Misti. My 2 top tips are the Novus cleaner and your isopropyl alcohol, either in the light mist bottle or in your Squeaky Clean dispenser, kitchen towel and those microfibers. All your links will be in your video description. How long did today's 2-minute tip take, Greg? 3 minutes. So we did okay today. We're just over. So do check out those links in the video description for everything I use. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell, because if you haven't heard, we're the official media partner for Creativation 2019. We'll be there in around about a week's time, and we'll have lots and lots of videos for you. We'll be on the show floor first. We'll have behind the scenes news for you, and we can't wait to show you all of those amazing new releases as well. So do check those out and ring the bell as well, so you get notifications of all of those amazing Creativation videos. We'll upload them as quickly as we possibly can, depending on the bandwidth we can get from the show as well. So check those out. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed today's video, and we'll see you again very soon. Happy stamping, everyone. Bye.